Welcome back to Books of History. Today, we are embarking on a voyage through time to uncover the riveting story of Malaysia's path to independence. Join me as we leaf through the chapters that have etched courage, unity, and freedom into the annals of Malaysia's history. Our tale begins in the era of colonial rule, as the British presence casts a shadow over the region. The seeds of change were sown as Malaysians started envisioning a destiny beyond foreign dominion. With every passing chapter, we witness the emergence of visionaries and valiant voices calling for autonomy. Their words and deeds reverberate, fueling a fire that would eventually blaze into a fight for freedom. As World War II rages, the pages of history capture Malaysia caught in the crosshairs. The shadows of Japanese occupation cast a somber backdrop against which the nation's resolve for independence takes shape. Post-war, we delve into a chapter of resilience and resurgence. It's here that the courage of leaders like Tunku Abdul Rahman ignites the flames of unity among Malaysians. The pages of history are woven with threads of diversity, as Malaysians from diverse backgrounds unite in a powerful narrative. This chapter embodies the heart of Malaysia's unique identity, unity in diversity. And now, the climactic moment, a chapter that has engraved itself into the collective memory of Malaysians. The echoes of Merdeka resound as Malaysia steps onto the world stage of independence on August 31, 1957. As we turn the pages, we witness Tunku Abdul Rahman, with unwavering conviction, declaring Malaysia's newfound sovereignty. His words become an anthem of freedom that still resounds through generations. The pages come alive with jubilation as Malaysians rejoice in their newfound liberty. Communities across the nation paint a vibrant canvas of celebration, a chapter of pride etched in the hearts of all. Subsequent chapters see Malaysia's vibrant multicultural tapestry continuing to unfold. A testament to a nation's spirit, Malaysia thrives through honoring its diversity while forging a shared destiny. As we conclude this chapter, we gaze upon modern Malaysia, a nation that has penned a tale of progress, innovation, and global engagement. But the ink of freedom and unity still flows through its veins. And thus, we close this chapter of Books of History, enriched by Malaysia's indomitable spirit and its journey towards sovereignty. Join us next time as we leaf through more pages of history,